Hi guys! Welcome back to Top 10 Republic, where you will enjoy learning things while watching. In this video, we are going to feature KKOPI Tea franchise business packages. Reminder, please watch the whole video to get the important information you need for KKOPI Tea franchise. What's in this video? Company profile, mission and vision, social responsibility, product quality, KKOPI Tea products, KKOPI Tea branding, franchise support, franchise packages, franchise procedure, contact details, and frequently asked questions. For the company profile, iVenture International is a 100% Filipino-owned corporation established in the year 2021. iVenture International is a multi-level marketing and franchising company headquartered in Las Piñas City. It focuses on health and wellness and household products as its flagship offer. Its advocacy is to help Filipino brothers and sisters here in the Philippines and abroad, character development and values formation, and to help each venture partners earn an additional income of 5,000 pesos to 50,000 pesos per month or more. Their mission: iVenture International's objective is to deliver the best quality products and services globally to enrich the lifestyle of their customers, distributors, employees, and the humankind by providing the best business opportunities. Their vision: to be the most valued business partner on creating not just an opportunity but a real life-changing impact to everyone. Social responsibility: in this time of pandemic, many people lost their job and lessens their buying power. That's why at KKOPI Tea, they only sell 35 pesos and 45 pesos milk tea products. For the product quality, all ingredients, raw materials used in KKOPI Tea drinks are all Food and Drug Administration approved for the safety and welfare of its customers. KKOPI Tea products. KKOPI Tea products are composed of iced tea, iced Amerikano, milk tea, and hot drinks. Iced tea flavors are Coffee Original, Vanilla, Caramel, Macchiato, Chocolate, White Chocolate, and Hazelnut. For iced Americano, the following flavors are Original, Vanilla, Caramel, and Hazelnut. For milk tea, the following flavors are Hokkaido, Cookies and Cream, Okinawa, Brown Sugar, Pearl Milk Tea, Taro, Chocolate, and Winter Melon flavor. While for hot drinks, the following flavors are Coffee Barako, Caramel Latte, Hazelnut Latte, Coffee Latte, and Hot Chocolate. KKOPI Tea branding: the most delicious milk tea for the price of 35 pesos. They position their products where everyone can buy and taste their delicious product KKOPI Tea for the price of 35 pesos for 16 ounce and 45 pesos for 22 ounce. For the KKOPI Tea franchise support, marketing support, social media advertisements is continuously running 24 hours, 7 days. Guidance: they have allotted staff to answer your queries any time of the day. Customer representative: they have a dedicated representative to answer your question on their official pages. Supply assurance: they always ensure that all store stocks are always available to prevent sold-out issues. Research and development: they will have special products designed for each occasion. For the KKOPI Tea franchise packages, the total package cost is worth 99,998 pesos. It includes the franchise fee of 64,998, the initial inventory of 20,000 pesos, and the equipment and utensils 15,000 pesos. The franchise fee includes the use of trade name and logo, business operating system, branch mock-up design, franchise training, product training, training manual, ads and marketing support, and opening guidelines. Due to very high demand, their franchise package fee is for limited time only until they reach 300 nationwide. As of now, they have 250 branches nationwide. The franchise package excludes construction cost ranging from 15,000 pesos to 40,000 pesos, and it depends on the location. And take note, no royalty fee, no renewal fee, and no marketing fee. For the franchise procedure, number 1, send letter of intent. Number 2, franchise payment to iVenture International. Number 3, contract signing. Number 4, location approval and scheduling of training. Number 5, mock-up design. Number 6, construction. Number 7, approval of constructed store. Number 8, opening date assignment. And number 9, start of operation. For the contact details, please contact iVenture International, Mr. Adrian Badong, Marketing Consultant and Franchise Owner. Their Viber number is 09565 949 You can send them an email to adrianbadong@gmail.com or kopiti@gmail.com. You can visit their FB page at KKOPI and you can also visit their Instagram KKOPI.tea. For the frequently asked questions, how long will it take to recover franchise fee investment? Answer: the return of investment depends on various factors such as sales and location. They can't guarantee how long it take for ROI. Some of their branches took 3 to 4 weeks because of the price and quality of drinks and also the volume of customers coming in and out of the shop. This will be further discussed during the franchise meeting after sending the letter of intent. What are you waiting for? Start your business with the franchise of KKOPI Tea today. Thank you for watching. Hope you like this video. Please continue to support our channel. Please subscribe, like and share this video for them to be informed on our next educational videos here at Top 10 Republic, where you will enjoy learning things while watching.